This is a biomass gasifier from Manglam Gasifier Company, a compact plant of 4 lakh kilocalories per hour. This system converts biomass like wood chips into a gas, and that gas travels through the pipeline inside the factory. As we can see, this gas is being given to different sweets and namkeen bhattis. To different kinds of kadais, different flame, different temperature. Earlier, this company was using LPG as a fuel in all the bhattis. Now, we have successfully replaced LPG with the help of biomass gasifier, and this company is saving huge fuel cost. We can also see the open flame. These are the revolving bhattis. All the bhattis are working with the help of gas coming from biomass gasifier. We can see the powerful flame here.